What if you could double your daily revenue by doing half the jobs? How my company was able to do just that is what we're talking about today. What's up, everybody? Chris Martinez here, and welcome to the YouTube channel, The Copycat Entrepreneur, where we find the best business systems out there and we copy them right into our business. Today, we're talking about how to double your revenue by doing half the jobs. I remember when we first got started in business, we had a sales goal to do $1,000 a day. And since our average ticket price was around $200, it took us around 5 jobs every single day to hit that $1,000 mark. Well, fast forward to today, it only takes us about 2 jobs to do that $1,000. I want to share with you the 3 P's you need to focus on to double your sales and cut half the jobs out of your workload. But before we get into that first P, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and comment below how many jobs does it take you to hit your daily revenue goal. The first P we're going to talk about is for people. Before we start any marketing campaign, we want to make sure that we're marketing to the right people. This is why we use something called a customer avatar. We treat our customer avatar like it's a real person because basically it is a real person. So what is a customer avatar? This is what we consider to be our perfect customer. This is who we want to market to when we do a marketing campaign. So let's go ahead and build out our perfect customer. We'll use my company, a window cleaning company, as an example of how to build your perfect customer. Since we're using a window cleaning company, we're looking for very specific traits for our perfect customers. Traits such as our perfect customer needs to have expendable income. A window cleaning company is a luxury service. It's not something that someone has to do. It's something that someone gets to do. So we need to market to people that can afford it. Because if we market to people that can't afford it, then we're marketing to price shoppers and people that are going to want your service for cheap. Another trait of our perfect customer is they see the value in their property. It's not just something they live in, it's actual investment. And when they see their property as an investment, they're more likely to hire someone to help them maintain it. So we already kind of have a couple things on our list. They need to see value and they need to have some expendable money. So now let's go in and build an actual customer avatar. So let's meet Mary. Mary's a female. She's 42 years old. She's married. She's a stay-at-home mom, and her household brings in $100,000 plus a year. Mary drives a Mercedes E-Class. She has 3 kids, and she shops at Whole Foods and takes her kids to a fast food chain called Chick-fil-A. I'm going to explain to you why that's important here in a minute. Let's meet her husband. Her husband is Marty. He's a male, 47 years old, married to Mary. He's an executive for a major company and he's the breadwinner, brings in $100,000 plus a year. He drives a BMW 7 Series, has 3 kids, shops at Whole Foods, and goes to Starbucks every single morning. And if you notice, we put their pain points in there. Both of their pain points consist of time. They don't have any time. Mary is busy with the kids. You could see she's on the phone, she's cooking, she's vacuuming, she's doing all the things that a busy mom does. And Marty, he's working, he's traveling, he's going 50, 60 hours a week. Why is this important? Well, because if Marty's working 50, 60 hours a week, the last thing Marty is going to want to do when he gets home on the weekend is power wash his home or wash his windows. And guess what? Marty sees the value in hiring a company like mine to do it. Now, let's get into those other weird questions like what's their preferred grocery store or where do they eat? Chick-fil-A? I know you're probably thinking, what does that matter? Well, we want to know, are they a value meal customer or a valuable customer? And here's the difference. Our customers don't mind eating at Chick-fil-A. And here's what I mean by that. They know that they can go to Burger King and get 10 chicken nuggets for $1, but they don't mind going to the Chick-fil-A, getting half the chicken nuggets for double the price. Why is that? Because they see value in it. And that's the customer we're going for. The customer that sees value in our product. They don't just look at the price, They look at the value. So when we go to build out our marketing campaign, now we're marketing to our customer avatar, those that see the value and don't mind paying the things they see value in. They're not looking for the cheapest. No, they're looking for the things that they see value in. So here's your homework for today. Go and build out a customer avatar sheet and make sure you build out your customer avatar. Give them a face, give them a name, give them some pain points. Where do they shop? What do they like to do? That way, when you build out your marketing campaign, you know who to market to. Well, that's all we have for today. If you found this video helpful in any way, please do consider subscribing to it, like the video, comment below how this video has helped you, and make sure you ring the bell so that way when the second video in the P series comes out, you won't miss it. We'll see you in the next video. Take care for now.